This guide is designed to help you through some of the basics with Photoshop. We'll be using the Windows version of Photoshop, but the Mac version follows a very similar path. To begin, we've placed all of our assets in a convenient location. In this case, they're on our desktop. And we'll begin by opening up the Photoshop application. We'll start by looking at the image quality of particular assets. I'll open up one of the assets from our location, in this case the tree frog, and I'll see it here on screen. I'll change the image so it fits onto screen, and then using the window menu I'll click on Navigator. By zooming in on particular parts, we can see the quality of our particular image. And you'll notice in this particular example, we get to a certain point and the quality begins to drop off. This particular file is not a particularly high resolution one. And that's the benefit of the Navigator. It allows us to zoom in and out to see the quality of an image.